What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Ameri-Zulu. Today is beach day. Nothing to do. So we just gonna head to the beach. Yeah, Mom?
To the beach.
To the beach. I think I'm gonna do some work from the beach. It's only about 5 minutes away. And we got our chairs in the back. We got some snacks. We'll show you the way. Show you what it looks like driving to the beach. And then we'll show you what the beach looks like. Episode 1. Let's go. All right, guys, so we made it to the beach. Like I said, this is my favorite beach, but you'll see why. Old lady, she got her own opinion about the beach. But you got to make it down to this one before it gets too, like before the sun go down. Because if the sun go down, you kind of lose that. You sit in the shade. And if you know, being at the beach, that beach wind is something else. So you hold it as long as you can, and you make it work. All right, let's show you this way. Now, bro, let me show y'all what we're looking at. So this is the road coming down. You got your faithful guards. Houses down that way.
Beautiful tree.
Go ahead, Mom. It's a busy street, but not too bad. And then you take the long walk. To get down here. A couple stairs. Coming back is always harder than
For me.
Yeah, coming up. What you think, Mom?
Yeah, coming back is always hard. Because I have to climb up the hill.
Told you.
Yeah. It's cardio.
Yeah. If you want to get your wife nice cardio, but make it seem like a vacation, hey, bring her here. Bring her here, my chief. She will burn. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is my favorite beach. You'll be able to tell, like I said, why once we get down the hill. go walk down by the wading pool. Haven't come this side. We usually just go right to the beach and sit down. But take this one.
The sun by the rocks. I want to take beautiful Insta pictures. Oh, look, it's not so deep.
Found something I've never seen. Look at this. I think this is the boulevard I'm about. Yo, look.
That's it. That's the hole.
The hole in the hole.
Oh
My guy. Yo. Look at this guy. This is beautiful. Oh, so you want to climb all the way down there? No, I don't want to go all the way over there. Hell no. I'm good right here. Yo, this is beautiful though. I guess I will have to work up some courage to go over there. The wind is too strong today though. Better hold on.
going to swim. Oh my gosh, the water is cold. Yeah, let's do this. Guys, so I went for a mini swim. The water is too cold. I did not make it. But let's try the other side. See what we have. How deep can we go? Yeah. It's beautiful.
If y'all know me, I can swim. Don't get it twisted. I can swim. But I'm not getting in this. It's cold. Oh. Miss Ameri-Zulu. She down there though. Yo, the wind is heavy. She enjoying. Just went in the water in the wading pool. How was the pool?
It was heaven.
That shit, that shit looked cold.
Yeah, I feel refreshed.
Even the pale ones was cold.
No, but once you get in 1 minute later, then you don't want to leave. I didn't want to get out.
Ew.
Loved it, guys. Now this is my favorite pool.
We will not be returning.
We will return every day until the sun goes away. Yeah. So nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
So sweet.
So sweet.
So sweet.
Yeah. Now it's time for me to go dry myself in the sun. Enjoy the water. Now I'll be doing this every day we come here. I'm obsessed. So guys, I just came from swimming in this lovely pool. Still, I enjoy the water. It's chilly when you get in, baby. But once you get in, you don't want to come out. I didn't want to come out. I didn't want to come out.
Summertime, not summertime.
I'm missing out. You see that couple?
That's true.
I know how they feel. You just don't want to come out. It's enough. Once you're in there, the sunshine is enough. I was feeling like a little mermaid.
Everybody that get in, enjoy it.
Yes, they don't want to come out.
They get in and it's cold.
Woo. Now this is my favorite. I'm swimming every time I hear Guys, tell me where I can buy my bikinis because I need outfits. Joking.
No.
Okay.
But it's beautiful to be able to do this on what's today?
On a Wednesday.
A Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon. You can just come. It's safe. It's chill. People are nice.
You can leave your bags anywhere. When you walk around here, you can see people leave their personal belongings on the stones, back and there.
Nobody harassing you. Nobody trying to sell you nothing. Nobody begging. No pirates.
No paramedics. It's nice, safe. There's always patrol.
Lifeguards.
Beautiful.
And they do let you know what days you can swim, what days you can't swim. I think they put up different flags.
Yes, they do.
But these waves never stop. I don't understand.
They never stop.
I ain't much of an ocean swimmer.
Same.
Put me in the nice, warm Jamaican water. Now we talking. We are Caribbean people.
Yeah, boy. I'm excited for that. Yeah.
Many more trips to come.
Many more. We'll bring you guys along.
It's a lot to see. Everybody's heard about Durban, Johannesburg, Cape Town, but when you think of Dolphin Coast, you don't even know about it. First of all. Secondly, you don't think that you can get Cape Town vibes.
Dolphin Coast.
Ballito, Dolphin Coast, same. Definitely a spot. If you're gonna take a small vacation, you in Durban, I would spend time.
Love it, yeah. Sunny Wanani. We are still at the beach. On our way home. It's been lovely, amazing. Sun is setting. On to another. We'll see you on Sunday. Just saw monkeys. They are very fast. Woo. Love the sunset. Bye beach.